Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to sum values out of order in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. For example, let's take this range of data. Our task is to count all the fruits sold separately and also count all the fruits in the stock separately. I think it won't be difficult to count all the cells in a column, but counting every second or every third cell raises questions. If we do this manually, that is, select each cell and summarize, it will be long and difficult, especially if you have hundreds of cells. To solve this problem, it's better to use SUMIF function. We enter the function and as you can see, the function has three arguments. The first argument is the range in which the function will search for argument number 2. The second argument is a criterion. In this case, it's a specific word, namely the word sold, which we write in quotation marks. And the third argument is the summation range, that is, these are the cells that will be summed if the first two conditions are met. We press enter and the function has calculated everything perfectly. And to count all the fruits in the stock, copy the formula and just change the criterion. Great, but what if the C column just doesn't exist and we can't use such a convenient additional column? Then we will use a slightly different formula of this type. How does this formula work? Let's start with the row function. This function will return the numbers of the row of the entered range. That is 2, 3, 4 and so on. And mod function will return the remainder from dividing the first argument, this is our mod function, by the second argument, this is the number 2, because we count every second cell. And if the result of the division is 0, then these cells are suitable for us and the formula sums them up. And since we have an array formula, then to make sure everything is calculated correctly, let's add the array formula function to the beginning and press enter. As you can see, we got the same result as in the first case. And to calculate the total stock, we copy the formula and change one number in it. Namely, the result of dividing the mod function by 2 should now be equal to 1, not 0. Since we are now interested in all the odd cells, these are 3, 5, 7 and so on, dividing them by 2 gives the result 1. This is how we found the sum of all cells that are not in order. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.